So now let's check the consistency of it. Wow, nice and creamy. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special unboxing. This one is from the guys at Island Pops. So I'm really excited to share this with you all. They are a Caribbean ice cream shop selling amazing island popsicles, ice creams and cakes. So if you guys have never heard about them, you will definitely need to check them out. The link to order would be in the description box. So I want to open it first by showing you guys how properly well it's packaged. And in here, that's dry ice. That's to keep your ice cream really nice and cold, and it keeps it cold for a long time. This was shipped yesterday evening. I got it today at 3 p.m. and now it's 7 p.m. That block of dry ice is still hard, it's still in there, and the ice cream, it's nice and hard. So let's talk about the ice cream. So guys, what do we have in this box that's so special? It's a Barfi ice cream, just in time for this month of Diwali. Orders for this will begin starting from the 9th of November through the 21st of November, and that's when you can start ordering. It is overnight delivery and it ships only within the United States of America because it is a perishable item. I would like to say a special thank you to Island Pops. I am so proud and honored that you all chose my recipe to recreate into your ice cream. So thank you guys so much. So now without further ado, let's check and see what's in here. Okay guys, just look at that. You see all of those specks in there? Yeah, I know it's going to be good. So now let's check the consistency of it. Wow, nice and creamy. I had to let this sit out a little bit because it was so super hard when I got it. So now that it's a nice consistency, I can eat. So look at that. Now it's time to test it, taste test it. So let's test it. Wow. Okay, I'm not even going to go in for a second taste. Off of the bat, I taste the ginger, I taste the cardamom, I taste that milk powder, I taste Barfi. And the sprinkles that you guys, that they put in here, those long sprinkles, perfect. I get a little crunch from the sprinkles. So amazing. Now, I've been dubbed the Barfi Queen, so I can tell you, you're getting Barfi when you order this. And I'm so excited that they partnered with me to create this for you all, because if you've never had Barfi ice cream, it's mind-blowingly delicious. So I'm so happy that you all can now taste this. So everyone in the US who has never had Barfi ice cream before, you definitely need to order this. Please order this and please help support our small businesses and our Trini people. All of the information to order will be in the description box, and you're going to order through the gold belly link. So before I continue, I have a special surprise for you all. Island Pops is giving one lucky person a chance to win 1 pint of this amazing Barfi ice cream. So if you'd like to enter, you have to head over to our Instagram page, well, my Instagram page, at Trini Cooking with Natasha. There you will find the post for this giveaway. Make sure and follow all of the instructions. If you don't, you will not be entered. You must be following my page and Island Pop's page, which I'll leave their information, and I'll also tag them in that post on Instagram. So all you have to do to enter is head over there and leave a comment. Leave a comment, what is your favorite memory about Diwali? That's all you have to do, and you'll be entered to win. Remember, this is only valid for people living in the US, as this is a perishable item. It cannot be shipped overseas. So good luck to everyone. Please remember to follow all of the instructions for this giveaway. It's not happening on this platform, it's happening on Instagram, so you'll need an Instagram account. So good luck to everyone. I'm so happy and so honored that they used my recipe for this. So if you guys would like to taste one of my recipes, definitely order this. Remember, it's available from the 9th of November throughout the 21st of November. So order early so you can get yours in time. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to Island Pops. Good luck to everyone. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.